It's time to prepare a meal for entire next week. Last week I did non-veg. This week I'm doing veg.
Usually, I will spend 3 to 4 hours every day in kitchen to have my meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and including the coffee making time. But in this way, I will save at least 2 3 hours every day. When I'm hungry in the afternoon, I will just take a tiffin and heat it in pan and eat it. If you like the video, do subscribe and hit like button.
These are the ingredients we need: mushroom, paneer, chili, garlic, onion, lemon, carrot, tomato, and capsicum if you have more. This was the only thing in my fridge. Some rice I have soaked, which I will use later. 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water. Let's start with my favorite ingredient, paneer.
The reason I'm making entire week's meal is because I was spending a lot of time in kitchen every day. Today's preparation will make sure that I don't have to cook lunch for next 5 days.
For now, we are just going to saute this paneer without salt, without any spice. Just paneer until it becomes golden brown. I should have squeezed the paneer to remove all the water.
Another benefit is that I won't be ordering food online when I crave or when I'm hungry. Also, a good way to learn a new recipe over the weekend.
Once the paneer is cooked, keep it aside. Chop everything: garlic, chili, onion, tomato, carrot, capsicum, mushroom. And this is peeled lemon juice. Add more oil. Little turmeric. Add garlic, chili, and onions. Add some salt. It will leave a little water, and the same steam will be used to cook it. And you can check if the carrot is cooked by pushing. It needs more cooking. Now add all the mushrooms. The reason to add mushrooms later is it gets cooked very quickly and it's going to leave more water. This water is from vegetables, so we are not adding more water. Add little pepper powder. Turn this off, then add lemon juice. Half only, half will be first later. Paneer and veggies are ready. Just keep rice in the cooker. This is what it will look like. Right now it's not completely cooked. I'm just little tired, so eating and watching some content. Added some oil in pan. Add dried chilies, onion. Now that it has sauteed, time to add moringa leaves. Moringa leaves is extremely healthy, fertility, muscle, good protein, plant-based protein you can say. I also have moringa powder, which I sometimes add in milk, coffee, or my morning muesli. If you haven't seen, check my muesli video too. Homemade muesli with no added sugar, no added artificial sugar. Somebody corrected that in comments. Now let's cover it for a second. So next 5 days of meal is prepared. Now just I have to close everything and keep it in freezer.
If you like the video, do subscribe and hit like button. See you in the next one.